Soon after its establishment, NamRA has continued its drive to optimize Namibia's tax revenue collection. This has led to some reforms at NamRA offices countrywide to ensure compliance by companies and individuals. Previously, regional offices such as the one at Oshakati were reported to have not been meeting revenue collection targets owing to non-compliance by taxpayers. Statistics shared with President Hage Geingob by NamRA's executive management indicate a general improvement as the Oshakati office collected $1.5 billion to overall revenue collection.
We have developed what we call enforcement strategy, tax law enforcement strategy. And we have also established a centralized investigation and enforcement unit. And that unit does not just apply. Our enforcement intervention activity is not only applying to a specific industry or region, but what we can see is that the commitment from our officials to make sure that everyone pay their fair share of taxes, it's paying dividends. It's really paying dividends, and we are also saying, we have also noted that there's a couple of companies in this country that have been getting tenders, some from the government, some from public enterprises, and they have been declaring nil return or zero return. So we not only we are opening tax evasion criminal cases, we are also especially those where we have clear information or evidence that they are committing crime, because tax evasion is a criminal offense. Not only are we registering criminal cases, we are also making sure that when we see that an amount is paid into their account, we work closely with all other law enforcement. We ensure that their accounts are frozen, and we take the money directly from their account and ensure that it's paid over the state using the law.
The tax refund scams is another matter which the NamRA Commissioner Sam Shivute says will be pursued relentlessly to bring culprits to book.
On that we are also making progress, and by yesterday we have recovered about 19.9 million from those who have been getting this fraudulent tax refund. We want to encourage people that, look, we want those who are owing, those who may have falsely declared, especially those who have just submitted nil return. We had given them an opportunity to put their houses in order and to do proper declaration and pay what is due by the end of June. Now, my investigation team, this week, they are busy with bigger investigation. When they come back, the question will be for them to focus on those who did not rectify their nil return. And they will then be required to open criminal cases with the police.
Shivute was speaking to the NBC following the presentation of NamRA's strategic objectives and achievements during a courtesy call at State House.